Well, I'm making this video for my friend Carrie. She wanted to go to Itchitucknee tomorrow. And most of the rivers you could pretty much tell the level because they all remain kind of the same. Now this river looks maybe a foot high. I'm on this in what they call Santa Fe Park. Now the water level is usually down. It's usually down where this point is. Usually goes across there. But now it's up here, so it looks roughly a foot and a half high. And this dock, wow, this water up here, right here, this water is never really this high. This water goes down to roughly right there, but it only puts it like a foot and a half high. This dock right here is level, which I am usually walking straight down a ramp, kind of steep, but now it's kind of high. So the river is high. Rope swing. Yeah, let's see you get on that rope. Yeah, the river's high, but I would say it's about a foot and a half. You can see on some of my other videos, it shows where the level of this ramp is. I've got some videos with tubers and stuff, but the springs are all open, tubing's open, and fun for all. This is part of the Santa Fe River. The tubing and the kayaking and the canoeing and the boating is all good. Probably, actually for me, I mean, I would choose this. Yeah, seeing how high this is, I like it. And the springs are all open. I looked at the websites. I don't like when pigs do this stuff. I know it needs to be emptied, but come on, make the can. You could freeze it if you like. Santa Fe Park. Yep, usually you come down this little boat ramp right here, right to here, and that water level is usually right toward the end of that berm right there, so that's still, if it dropped a foot, it'd be down there. So it's only like a foot high, no biggie.